Hello cuties, let's learn some colors. Pink color, light green color, brown color, purple color, dark blue color, grey color, dark green color, red color, orange color, yellow color, black color, sky blue color, red color. A for avocado. Brown color. B for banana. Yellow color. C for cat. Purple color. D for dolphin. Orange color. E for eagle. Sky blue color. F for fish. Black color. G for gorilla. Dark green color. H for hen. Dark blue color. I for igloo. Pink color. J for jacket. Grey color. K for kangaroo. Light green color. L for lemon. Red color. M for mouse. Brown color. N for noodles. Yellow color. O for octopus. Purple color. P for pig. Orange color. Q for queen. Sky blue color. R for ring. Dark green color. S for shoe. Dark blue color. T for train. Pink color. U for unicorn. Grey color. V for van. Light green color. W for watermelon. Black color. X for Xerox machine. Red color. Y for yellow. Brown color. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. We have learned colors and small letters alphabets. See you in next video. Bye bye.